is cooking in Ciudad de Mexico. Introduce me to this place. Okay, we're already here. So welcome to Zocalo. This is how we call it. Or we also say Centro Histórico de la Ciudad de México. Welcome, crew. Here we have la Catedral Metropolitana, as you can see, and Palacio Nacional in front of us. But we just came with the idea that we really want and in the mood for coffee. So we're heading to there, and afterwards we are going to begin the little tour. What's the coffee place that we're going to? We're just going this direction. And take a look, Anna. Here we can find as well Torre Latinoamericana. It's very emblematic from the city. But I guess you're right. It's here. Oh, it's here. So what we need to remember right now is that whenever we went to Xochimilco, we were talking about chinampas. Remember? Mm-hmm. So this was the technique ancient Mexicas built this place. Yeah. Whenever we get to La Catedral, we're going to see that the city is actually sinking because of the weight of the buildings. Yeah. And also because water it's been taken from the bottom of the aquifer. Yes. Imagine how it was back in those days. Something very important to consider as well is that these buildings were usually built from what before were the pyramids here. Right. So what was, you said imagine what it was here. What was it here? Okay, here was built, well, what we call Templo Mayor. We will go there to see the ruins. And it was a really, really big building. A pyramid? Yes. There were two sides of it. One of them was related to the god of war. The other side was related to the god of agua. Yeah, war. Tlaloc. If you remember him or not,
I do from last time.
Yes,
he has eyes like
very
this.
big eyes, and they are blue.
Yeah. So I'm dressed for Tlaloc today.
Yes, true.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do right now is crossing the street here, and go to the ruins. Okay, great. So here we are, and whenever you come, it's a very good idea for the people that they could actually visit the museum that's there and take a closer look of how it was and the culture and the contrast between the past and the present. So what do you think, guys? Are you ready to go to the restaurant now?
Yes, let's get some lunch.
Let's go.
Okay, perfect. Okay, let's go find Sally.